All right, you got a number for these guys because they're not out here, man. Door's locked and nobody's home.
Okay, yeah. I will forward it to you right now.
Okay, thank you. Huh?
Sometimes it can be a real task. I understand.
Yeah. I get it. 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 I like all the little. I'm half kind of pissed about having all those little tape marks where it's not sticking to the floor. Because did you see the fucking floor?
Right.
It's Luan, man. It's not supposed to be installed on top of that any fucking way. Like, I was installing that shit, no warranty, man, going over fucking client subfloor. I'll look at it, but I'm sorry, man. You know,
If it's a situation of
you wanted to save $200 freaking for doing the subfloor yourself, and you put the wrong shit down, and you put it down like shit, and wonder why stuff doesn't stick to it. Give me a break.
if it's a situation of it's tiles loose, okay, pull squirt a 915 under there, push it down, okay, if it's easy. But this tile's got a lip on it. Well, it's stuck. What do you want me to do? That it's got a lip on it because your Luan is not the right subfloor.
Okay. I think I made a video about that. At 9:38, she sent him a text message. Brandon isn't here yet, and I have to get back to work. I left the door next to the garage door unlocked. Carpet and pad are in the garage. Adhesive for the black herringbone tiles in the foyer. Each loose piece has masking tape on it, trimmed for around fireplace. The stair molding is laying in front of the fireplace. Questions about any of this, let me know. All right. So we do have entry. We do have entry. Let me change the GoPro battery because I'll just take it with me. All right, guys, got you back. See how long one of these new batteries lasts. Okay. So this one we have a set of carpet steps and some transition to finish and some tiles that we did in this herringbone pattern. This little LVT tiles. A couple of them are, half a dozen or more are not stuck all the way. So, gotta say though, that is what happens when you use the wrong subfloor. That's a risk you take. Just saying. But let's see what's up. Huh? Carpet and pad. We'll get to that. All right. Nice. Trim for around the fireplace. Okay. Okay, so we got 4 there, couple there, couple there. Oh, lights, couple there. I don't know, man. Might just be a matter of rolling it again by the looks of it. I mean, they're seeing a white line from the edge of the tile. Yeah, that one's not stuck very good, that's for sure.
Well, there's a couple of them that aren't stuck.
And it's, yeah, we do what we can. No problem. Frank didn't have a problem with that while I'm doing some steps, do you? What was the other thing? That stair nose for here. Yep. Boom. Cheesecake.
That ought to be easy.
That's it then. Stairs.
Stair nose around the fireplace.
Yeah, what do we got for around the fireplace? Let's peek it. Let's peek it. Oh, just gluing on some tea.
I guess.
Yeah.
I'd have gone with reducers, but
Gluing on some tea, man. Just got to do some 45s. Good to go. Good thing we got some 915.
oh yeah.
All right. Well, give me 1 minute to hit the head, and then we'll go look at that carpet. Ooh, much better. All right. Let's see what we got going here. What we got going with the carpet. Let's see. Gotta wrap you around there, guys. Find a place for you here. Hang out right there. Let's see what we got. Something breaking all over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, how you doing? It's heavier than it looks. Crap. Gotta get a knife. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see what we got here. Just that part. There you go. Try to bring it, son. Oh my. Okay. Oh, got it. Yes. Just got real. Just got real, guys. Shit just got real. Shit just got real. This is a freaking really expensive. Well, I don't know if it's super expensive, but it's actual woven carpet. Can you see that? It's actually woven. And I am not sure. I need to make sure that the techniques I use with this carpet are the right ones. All right. Nice carpet though. Very nice. Tell you what, I make a nice set of steps. I'll move her around a little bit. Sorry guys. Get some more of it out here. There's a nice shot. You don't get to see that very often. There's the actual material that they tufted. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, well, it let me run a row. It let me run a row really nice, actually. So, let's take a look at the staircase. If it's tucked on these sides, I'm just going for it. I'm just going for it. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Can always latex the sides. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So we got pattern match. Little pattern match. Oh. Tin Frank's runner off. All right, let me get this runner off. You can hang out right here. There you go. Hang out right there. Up the steps. Now they can hang out right there. That's awesome. Boom. Next step, pull some staples. I agree. Just what I said. The fucking subfloor is heaved up right there. There's a crack. Or there's a joint where he put it together.
It's a joint, and it's about a little over a 1/16 higher on the one side.
You
And
can't see it with a camera, but
it's making it home.
yeah.
So we'll reglue the piece.
It's a lot of that. Not our fault, but anyway, there's what the tack strip looks like. Spared you the cutting it. See how that goes. All right, changed your battery, guys. Sorry, battery died. Haven't missed much. Steps are padded, seen that, and now we're putting the carpet on. I cut a couple runs. So here we go. exciting?
I know I'm excited. Wow! There went the audience.
Sorry, boys. Battery's dead, anywho. Alright. Wouldn't that be good? Think it'll stay now? A little different angle, maybe. We'll see. Stay. Just stay. You might get bored and need to talk to me. Or not. You go play boats? You heard it. I'm gonna play some Doom. He's gonna play some boats. And that's it. Catch you on the next one.